He just jumped on me!
He jumped into the glass and then he took his shoulder and smacked it into where Grant's head was.
Give me a high five! Here! Buddy!
Wendy, watch out! This is wicked.
Watch.
Here he comes! Here he comes! No, here he comes! Now he's gonna jump!
Hey, man.
He's finding somewhere.
Hey on there.
Huh?
Hey.
If he breaks the glass, what will happen?
Well, he ain't gonna.
You can't break the glass.
Is he coming?
No, he's sitting there eating.
Is he coming this way?
I think he's going to a backflip.
Here's one.
Here's the
There.
Ah!
That is so fucking hilarious.
This is funny. I like it.